ukuthi because it's my word of the day every day.
Okay.
Ukuthi zibuza ukuthi what do you do today to get you closer to your dream? Every day before ulala zibuza ukuthi yini oyenzile namhlanje ukuze usondele eduze nephupho lakho.
So it's your word every day.
Even usuzolala zibuza ukuthi kusasa yini engizoyenza noma kuthiwe incane kangakanani to get me closer to my dream. Then ke kancane uzobona lelo phupho lakho.
What did you do today to get you closer
to your dream?
And then now wawangiphathelanga mina Skip isefamily
manje ukuthi manje ufuna ukuspoila isurprise mina futhi masiqeda la ngithi nje wala.
Oh ngisheshe ngapha guys the last time wayelana uThibo he did mention ukuthi back eThekwini he had a printing company, isn't it?
Yeah. No Limits Printing Solutions. Yeah, sasilapha Commercial Road binge sashawa i-COVID stuff, but yeah, we had a brand up a crew and nje namanye ama brands senzela abanye abantu ama brands abo, but yeah.
Are we back now?
Yeah, I mean you can see I'm looking fresh. I've been looking fresh nje ngasi ngakusela ama pictures ubavezela abantu la izansi.
Yeah. And then ilokunjana iskipa sabafana bekhumfu sona sisolane.
Sani?
Abafana bekhumfu. Ese Resignation abafana bekhumfu.
No, there's something esisebenza kuyona for the Resignation as a brand, so
nabafana bekhumfu.
It's coming.
Yabona ufake that ninja ndondon. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, as even my kids they say that ngifundisa
kung yeah, so yabona nami
just saying a line guys.
So ngiyastampa ke nami.
Yeah,
I'm stampering it. And then where can they find your t-shirts?
Yeah, nje ngisesha lapha na konke ama digital platform such a Crew Life, and then uzobona ama pictures there, and then khona ama numbers ukuthi ufuna uWhatsApp ufake order or uDM ufake order.
Crew Life ka KRU ne guys.
KRU, yeah. And then we siyakhuluma, you order, we deliver everywhere Africa nje covered.